Hey guys, thanks for stopping by to see what I am up to today. Today I'm out in the park in Arizona on a warmish day. It's not too bad, it's comfortable out here because I want to share with you one of the interesting features of the Icom 705, the IC 705. A couple of weeks ago, I rushed down to PIcacho State Park here in Arizona to do an activation. I wanted to get two in. I wanted to get one done on the Friday Zulu day and another one done on the Saturday Zulu day. So I rushed down there, threw everything in the truck, and evidently I threw my paddles in a place that I couldn't find them. So I did not panic because I knew there was an interesting feature of the Icom 705. The 705 lets you do CW with the buttons. So the way you get access to this function is while you are in CW mode, go to Menu, Keyer, Edit Set, CW Key Set. I've chose mic AB button, which is going to be the left, right, monk. And this is the CW key set is the menu that you access things like rise time, paddle polarity, key type. So if you've ever had to choose straight, key, bug, or paddle, it's the same menu. And you can choose the up and down buttons, or in my case, I like the AB buttons. Again, my choice is to use my DITs on the A button and my DAWs on the B button. If you like, you could turn the mic this way and use the up-down buttons, but I like to hold the mic this way and key it as a paddle that way. There you have it, guys. Not much else to say about that, but if you ever find yourself in the situation where you've forgotten your paddles, you can't find your paddles are broken, you need to let somebody else use your paddles, and you use an Icom 705, you can use the mic buttons to do your CW, and it works, or else Icom wouldn't have put it there. As a matter of fact, yesterday I intended to put some video here of me doing a contact, but while I was doing it, I must accidentally hit slow-mo. So the contact that I made with NK80 at Park 3369 came out without sound and not much use here. But again, the activation, one or two activations ago at PIcacho Peak State Park, it was done with my thumbs. So thanks for stopping by today, guys, and I hope to see you on the next one.